Hello, I'm so excited to have you here today to watch this free Patreon video. This is a sample of what I offer you on patreon.com. So you'll be watching something randomly pulled from our history that you can get an idea of what it's like to be a patron. Now you can go over to patreon.com and for free, you can sign up and look at all the different things that we have out there for you. But once you get there, you can look around also and see if there's anything you'd like to do. You can join for $5 a month and watch a video every single day of the work week, Monday through Friday. Or you can choose to be mentored, and there's information on there about that as well. So come on over to Patreon, enjoy this video, and really think about this. Is this something you need, want, deserve? I think you do. Come on, have a great day. Hello, my dear patrons. Today is Friday. It is the last day of master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet. If you're a payroll homemaker, you're going to do that this Saturday morning, those 4 15-minute units in the master bedroom, master closet, and if you have it, master bathroom. We are also, on Friday is also our car and purse day. Payroll, you can do car and purse day on Friday. Take care of your car in the driveway before you leave, or in the driveway when you get back, or like I did on my break, I could go out with a Walmart bag and collect any loose items. I wouldn't shake my mats there, I'd shake them when I got home, but that's all you do when you're doing car day. Purse day, I could do it at my desk, I could do it in the break room without dumping everything on the table. I know that you can do that too. If you have a Lysol wipe or some wipe, you can wipe the outside of your purse off, wipe the strap off, or you might do that when you get home, or you might change purses. And that's important too, to change your purses from time to time to keep from wearing them out. I am one of those people who just carries the same purse until I absolutely can't. It does not go with this outfit or whatever. All right. Now we are going to wake up this morning and do our morning routine. We're going to follow that with the children's morning routine. If you need to, before you wake up the kids, make sure you get your laundry started and go through your 1 inch of paper. Get the children up, put them through their morning routine. If you have children, inspect what you expect, make breakfast, serve them breakfast, sit at the table with them. Think about your day, talk to them about their day, clean up after breakfast with their help, dishes in the dishwasher, table wiped off, everybody out the door at a certain time. If your children are going to school or if you're going to work, you're out that door at a certain time. You make sure you've got your lunch if you make it, the kids have their lunch if they make it, etc. Good idea to keep things by the front door so you don't forget them, and so that the children don't do the last minute rush where they can't find their socks or their shoe or whatever, their homework. It's all by the front door. Take your children to school or go to work and enjoy your work because you have already prepared yourself for the day. You are enjoying your drive as well. And then we will see you back here at dinner time. At-home homemakers, if your children are school children and you have to take them, then as soon as you get back, do your morning routine. Not your morning routine, do your zone work. You've already done your morning routine. Do your zone work. 15 minutes. This is the last day in the master bedroom. And then we're doing car and purse day, so you can do that right after breakfast, right after your zone work rather, or you can do that when your babies are sleeping, if they take a nap or a rest time, or you can do it with the help of your children, which is what I truly encourage. If your children are old enough, 3, 4, 5 and older, they can help you clean the car. And talk to them about why it got messy, and do we like it messy, and let's not have it messy anymore, and let's take our things out of the car when we bring them in, and mommy's only going to let you take certain things, or I have this special bag for you to put your things in, or whatever. All right, purse, you can take care of your purse at any time today, dump it out, put your stuff back in nice and orderly, wipe it off, or change purses, whatever. Okay, it's also date night, so if you are going to plan for your date, now's the time to start thinking about it if you haven't already. And then we're going to have a hard stop for lunch, and then put the children down for their nap afterwards, or their rest period. You can have some time to yourself if you've gotten your other things done, and maybe call your husband at work and say, don't forget, we have date night tonight. I'm so excited. We're going to Don Quixote's or wherever you're going. And then at 5:30, there's a hard stop for dinner. We're going to bring payroll in. At-home homemakers, clutter stop at breakfast and lunch. Okay. Second clutter stop for you, payroll, now when you get home. And then we're going to make dinner. It takes about 20-30 minutes. Serve dinner, eat dinner, clean up after dinner. If you are not eating dinner at home, then you can either feed your children or have your babysitter feed your children. Just make sure you make the arrangements and that you're paying your babysitter to not only take care of your children, but to take care of your home and keep it from becoming a catastrophe. So anything they create, they must clean up, or anything the children create, the children must help the babysitter clean up. Okay, we have a clutter stop at the end of the day to put the toys away, etc. You may want to bathe your children before they come. And then we're going to go get ourselves ready. Make yourself pretty. You may not need to change all of your clothes or any of your clothes, or you may need to change entirely. Doesn't matter. Put on a little perfume, freshen your makeup, fix your hair. Or you might want to take your shower before your date, your end of the day shower if you take yours at night. You know, that might be something you want to do. Lay out your clothes for tomorrow. That's definitely going to happen. And then enjoy your date. When you come home, no matter what time it is, you have to go and get your makeup off, moisturize your face, put on your pajamas, and take care of the clothes you wore today. Okay? All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day and a wonderful weekend. Payroll, remember, you're going to do 1 hour of weekly home blessing hour on Saturday morning after your 1 hour of zone work in your bedroom, bathroom, and closet. And then we're going to continue to do our routines every day. At-home homemakers, I hope that you got all your laundry done this week, so you're not doing that kind of thing when your husband is home with you on the weekend. You're going to enjoy your family. Same with you, payroll. I know that you might have some laundry that does spill over into the weekends, but try really hard to find a big chunk of the day that you can enjoy your family and have family fun day. And then we're always going to remember to keep the Sabbath day holy, and that is Renew Your Spirit Day. Have a wonderful day, and always remember that you are beautiful. So, be beautiful.